Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to cancel your Netflix membership directly from the Android app. Whether you're looking to take a break or switch plans, this guide makes it simple and easy to do it in just a few taps. First, open the Netflix app on your Android phone. Tap My Netflix at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile tab. Now, tap the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, tap on Account. Scroll down the page until you find the Cancel Membership option. Tap on Cancel Membership to start the cancellation process. Then, tap on the plus icon beside Cancel to expand the section. Tap on Finish Cancellation to confirm that you want to cancel your membership. Netflix will ask for a reason. Choose any reason from the list and then tap Done. And that's it. Your Netflix subscription is now canceled. If you change your mind, you can always reactivate your account later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.